Welcome back. Today we are going to explore a traditional silk weaving island. All aboard!
Welcome to Silk Island, Cambodia, where ancient traditions and natural beauty come together to create an enchanting destination. Nestled in the heart of the Mekong River, Silk Island is a hidden gem just a short boat ride away from the bustling city of Phnom Penh. As you step onto the island, you'll be captivated by its lush greenery and scenic landscapes. Silk Island is renowned for its traditional silk weaving. Watch as local artisans skillfully transform silk threads into exquisite fabrics, using techniques passed down through generations. It's a true testament to the island's rich cultural heritage. Prepare to embark on a journey that will unravel the enchanting cultural tapestry of this remarkable place. Here, the art of silk weaving has been passed down through generations, preserving centuries-old techniques. Witness skilled artisans pouring their heart and soul into the delicate threads, creating intricate patterns and vibrant colors. Each piece is a masterpiece, a testament to the rich history and craftsmanship that thrives on Silk Island. Silk Island is a haven for those seeking an escape from the bustling city life. It's a place where time slows down, and you can embrace the genuine warmth and simplicity of rural Cambodia. So, come and experience Silk Island, where ancient traditions thrive, and the spirit of Cambodia comes to life. Discover the soul-stirring beauty and immerse yourself in the rich cultural tapestry of this enchanting island. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more immersive travel experiences.